Hi, I'm Sophie and welcome to my world. Today I have an episode of Try It, Don't Buy It. And today I'm going to be reviewing the Green Made InstaCrate. It is a flat plastic that turns into a box. Isn't that cool? So you can easily unfold it like that and store it away in the back of your car or in the back of your truck so that you always have a box whenever you need it. And the great thing about it is that this is very, very light. It's very, very small. But what's amazing is once you open it, you have a full-sized box. Now, I live in California where they don't give you shopping bags anymore unless you pay for them. So I keep one of these in the back of my vehicle, and every time I go shopping, I just put all my stuff in here. It's got two handles, so it's easy to carry. It's very, very lightweight, and what I love is that it breaks down as soon as you're done and doesn't take up any room. So this is the InstaCrate. And like I said, I got mine here at Costco. I think it was like $7.99. And I keep this in the back of my vehicle. It is the best investment I have ever made. In fact, I love it so much that I bought like one for my mom, one for my dad, one for my sister. I bought them for everybody I know just because I think they're so awesome. So InstaCrate, I give you a big thumbs up. So on Try It, Don't Buy It, I say definitely try it. If you are like me in that you need bags and boxes and things to cart stuff around all the time, but you don't have a lot of storage space, it's a perfect thing. Try it, don't buy it. InstaCrate, I say try it. For more fun ideas, check us out, sophie-world.com, and more episodes of Try It, Don't Buy It.